Hello and welcome to Indian Drives. In this video of Auto Shots, we bring you this week's news from our automotive industry. Before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our interesting news and car reviews. Also, if you have been waiting for an honest review of the MG Astor, wait no more, as we have reviewed the MG Astor. Link is in the description and at the corner here. Do watch the video and let us know your feedback in the comments section. Okay, let's start with the interesting news. Starting with this week's hottest news from Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto launches the all-new Pulsar 250. Bajaj Auto launches the all-new Pulsar 250 with a completely refreshed design language. The new Pulsar 250 follows a balanced design language between sports and technology. Bajaj says they have incorporated this design language to appeal to the newer generation of sport bikers. The Bajaj Pulsar 250 will be offered in two body styles, the Pulsar F250, a semi-fared street racer, and the Pulsar N250, a naked street fighter. The Pulsar 250 is priced at an ex-showroom price of Rs 1.38 lakhs for the N250 variant and Rs 1.40 lakh for the F250 variant. The Pulsar will be available in two vibrant color options, Techno Grey and Racing Red. The Bajaj Pulsar 250 continues to be a true performance machine like its predecessors and is powered by a single-cylinder, 4-stroke, single overhead cam, 2-valve, oil-cooled FI engine producing 24.5 horsepower and 21.5 Nm of peak torque. The all-new Pulsar gets features like projector LED headlamps, slipper and assist clutch, gear indicator and mobile charging ports. These features enhance the rider comfort for touring, and features like slipper clutch make sure you get the maximum performance from the bike with lightning quick shifts. Moving on next to Skoda. Skoda announces the unveiling of the upcoming sedan, the Slavia, on 18th of November. Skoda India has finally announced the unveiling of their much-awaited upcoming sedan, the Slavia. Skoda plans to unveil the Slavia on 18th of November. Skoda India had teased the Slavia earlier this month, which is to be the rapid successor. Based on the MQB AOIN platform specifically designed for India, the brand had teased the silhouette of the car, hinting that it will be bigger in dimension than the Rapid, as the body lines now showcase a body style similar to the Octavia and the Superb. The Slavia is said to be sharing the powertrain with the Kushaq and will be offered in a 1 and 1.5 litre TSI turbocharged petrol engine. The Slavia is not only going to be bigger but more sporty and luxurious than the Rapid, as it will also undergo a heavy refreshment in the interiors. Slavia might just be the baby Superb in the sedan lineup of Skoda. Now bringing you some news from the EV environment, Euler Motor launches India's most powerful EV three-wheeler, the HiLoad EV. Euler Motors, an Indian EV startup focusing on electric commercial vehicles, has launched its first cargo three-wheeler, HiLoad EV, which is India's most powerful 3-watt cargo vehicle. The HiLoad EV comes with a battery power output of 12.4 kWh and a range of 151 km in a single charge. The motors produce a 10.96 kW peak motor power and 88.5 Nm of torque, which are the highest figures in the segment considering the commercial EV environment is still growing and does not have many manufacturers in the competition. The HiLoad EV will come with a 3+2 year extended warranty for their battery performance and a standard 3-year or 80,000 km warranty. Euler Motors claimed that all their EV vehicles are optimized according to our Indian weather and developing road infrastructure. Moving on next to MG Motor India. MG Motor India announces an empowering initiative for the chauffeurs of the MG customers. MG Motors India announced this week a rather unusual and unique empowerment initiative, Sarthi program, for the upskilling of the chauffeurs of MG customers. MG in India is continuously innovating with new initiatives and features to appeal to the younger generation of buyers. The new age tech-driven vehicles with advanced tech and high-tech autonomous assistance features definitely improve the buyer's driving experience. But what if you do not really drive a vehicle but still want to be safe in your car with the use of those safety features with someone else on the driving seat? The literacy rate in our country for chauffeurs is not very high for them to be familiar with such high-tech features. To solve this critical pain point of customers, MG Motors India has partnered with Automotive Skills Development Council ADSC for this initiative. Under the Sarathi program, chauffeurs will be familiarized with the advanced tech and autonomous driving assist features through theoretical and practical approaches. MG claims that this initiative will provide an enhanced, smarter and safer experience of MG vehicles. And the best part of this initiative, customers can sign up their chauffeurs for the Sarathi program on MG's website free of cost. MG Motor India plans to train 1,000 chauffeurs in the next 2 months and 10,000 by March 2022. And those are some serious commitments to make. Let's wait and watch how effective this initiative will actually prove to be and by when. And lastly, bringing you some happy news from the XUV700 and the Astor. Deliveries for the XUV700 and the MG Astor begins before the festive week. The XUV700 had clocked 65,000 bookings in just 2 weeks since its commencement on 7th October. The XUV700 is the first car in our auto industry to receive such high volumes of booking in such a short span of time. To make the customers happy with their purchases on auspicious festivities, Mahindra starts deliveries of the petrol XUV700 from 30th October and the diesel variants will be delivered later in the last week of November. Mahindra has also announced that they aim to deliver 14,000 units by 14th January 2022. Similarly, MG Motor India had commenced the bookings for their latest launch, the Astor, on 21st of October, and within a few minutes, the Astor was sold out for this year. Even MG plans to keep their customers happy, proud of their purchases, and will start deliveries of the MG Astor on 1st of November, right before Diwali, and is aiming to deliver 5,000 units within this year. MG says they have been facing production challenges due to the global chip shortage in the automotive industry. However, they expect the supply chain to get better by the first quarter of 2022. With all units sold out for this year, MG has already started taking bookings for next year, so you can now book your Astor through your nearest dealership or online at MG's website. That's all for this week's Auto Shots. Stay tuned for more videos coming every day. And if you like our content, do remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.